$35,465 weekly profit. Hello and welcome to Insider Week. My name is Max Schulz. I'm multiple award winner of the World Cup Championship of Futures Trading, and in this video I'm going to show you my trades from the last trading week. First of all, a risk disclaimer. Let's start with my COT1 trading account. Account size is $899,000. I trade on this account up to 2% risk. Let's have a look at my watch list from the last trading week. I had on the buy side Dow Jones Mini, Euro, Swiss franc, Canadian dollar, Mexican peso, soybeans, cocoa, live cattle, and on the sell side gasoline, heating oil, and cotton. On the left side, you can see my portfolio I started with in the last trading week. I had 6 long contracts in my portfolio in cocoa. I was 1 contract short in cotton. I was 22 contracts long in Mexican peso, 7 contracts long in soybean meal, and I finished the week with 2 positions in my portfolio. 22 long contracts in Mexican peso and 1 long contract in soybean meal. The weekly trading result is $33,250 on COT1 trading account. Let's have a look at trades I made on this trading account. Let's start with cotton. Cotton weekly chart. I analyze weekly chart and COT data. Based on COT data, I create sell and buy signals in combination with weekly trend and seasonal trend. Then I switch to daily chart and analyze the daily chart with technical analysis for the right timing. As you can see, the trend changed to downward trend and I used the correction to open here a short position in direction of new downward trend. My risk was 0.5% of my COT1 trading account. I closed a part of my position by risk-reward ratio 1:2. The rest of my position I closed last week and made a profit of $2,950. Next market, cocoa. We got a buy signal in direction of weekly trend, but I traded a contra COT signal in this market in direction of strong weekly trend. And as you can see, I used the correction of upward trend to open here a long position. I was triggered, the market went in my favor. Then I moved my stop to entry price and I was stopped out on Wednesday before the correction ends. Next market, soybean meal. I got buy signal based on COT data analysis on weekly chart, and as you can see on the same price level I had in the past already COT buy signals. This is a sign for strong support. In the last sub chart you can see the seasonal trend. Also here you can see that the COT signal was supported by seasonal trend. Seasonal trend was also in a upward trend. After trend change from downward trend to upward trend on daily chart, I opened a long position and closed a part of my position by risk and reward ratio 1:2, and the rest of my position was closed last week with a profit of $30,240. I'm still in the market with 1 contract. My plan is to trade the trend with the rest of my position. Next market, Mexican peso. Also in this market we got a buy signal based on COT data analysis in direction of weekly trend. Let's have a look at the daily chart. As you can see, I opened here a position after trend change from downward trend to upward trend. I'm still in position with 22 long contracts. The open equity is $10,780. In other markets from the watches, I didn't do any trades and the reasons are same all the time. For example, in this market I waited for a correction and as you can see I got a correction but no entry pattern. So this market is still interesting for the common trading week and I will discuss this market and I will show the entry point in this market in my trading plan. This trading plan I will send to all our members. How to become a member? You will find the info in the description of this video. Next market, Canadian dollar. I expected here a correction, then end of the correction, but as you can see, the market was whole the week in a correction, therefore no entry in this market. In euro, we got a correction, what I waited for, but no entry pattern. Also, this market is very interesting for Monday, so we already have here an entry for Monday. Swiss franc, as you can see, the market was in a correction whole the week and didn't follow my scenario. And soybeans, in soybeans I didn't open a position because I already trade this market on COT2 trading account, and therefore first I have to move the stop to the entry price on COT2 trading account to take a risk out of the market. Then I can trade this market on COT1 trading account. Live cattle, as you can see, the market went in other direction as I expected. Gasoline, I waited for a contra signal activation in this market. I got this activation and I got also a correction but no entry pattern in this market. And heating oil, the same picture here. I trade same strategy on a small account. The account size is $30,000. I trade this account because a lot of members have small account and I want to show how to trade a small account size. This is very important in terms of risk and money management. On this account, I started in the last trading week with an open position in my portfolio. I was one contract long in Mexican peso and I finished the week with the same position in my portfolio. The weekly trading result is 0. COT2 trading strategy. Also, this strategy is based on COT data analysis. This strategy is short-term strategy, is more aggressive and requires strong risk management skills. I started in the last trading week with two open positions in my portfolio. I was 5 contracts long in copper and I was 9 contracts long in soybeans. And I finished the week with 2 positions in my portfolio, so 2 contracts short in crude oil and 5 contracts long in soybeans. The weekly trading result is $2,215 on this trading account. This is the equity curve of this account. Let's have a look at trades. First trade, soybeans. In soybeans, I opened a long position after a COT buy signal was created and entry pattern was in the market. As you can see, I closed a part of my position by risk and reward ratio 1:2 and made a profit of $10,710. With 5 contracts, I am still in the market. We got a correction, but I expect trend continuation next trading week. Next trade, copper. I opened here a long position. As you can see, after the position was opened, the market went in my favor. I moved the stop close to the market to protect my open profit, and as you can see, I was stopped out by a correction. The profit is $1,450. Next trade, euro. This was the last, so I lost here 2% of my COT2 trading account. In dollars, $9,945. Also here I got buy signal, I got entry pattern, I was triggered, but on the next day I was stopped out. And the last trade, this is an open position in crude oil. I opened here a short position. The timing was good. I'm still in the market with 2 short contracts and I'm waiting for my price target by 70.55, and I expect that I will see trend continuation, downward trend continuation next trading week. Please note that we have some delay by COT report publishing. So the COT report will come on Monday, 13 November. Therefore, I will analyze the data. We will post the data on Monday on our website by COT tool, and I will analyze the data by Tuesday and will refresh the watchlist for the rest of the trading week. That's it for today. Thank you very much for your time. I wish you happy trading next week. Don't forget, risk and money management is the key to success in trading. Your Max Schulz.